Energy-efficient windows. Rowlett TX are a top choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you can significantly lower your utility bills and enhance the overall energy performance of your home. Window insulation is crucial for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment in Rowlett, Texas. Proper window insulation helps prevent drafts and reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. Rowlett Window Insulation Services offer a range of solutions, including window sealing and weatherproofing, to ensure your windows are as energy efficient as possible. Double-glazed windows. Rowlett are an excellent option for those seeking enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows feature 2 panes of glass with a layer of air or gas in between, providing superior thermal performance. Double-glazed windows can help reduce energy consumption and improve the comfort of your home in Rowlett, Texas. Low-E glass windows. Rowlett are designed to reflect heat and UV rays, making them an ideal choice for energy-saving windows. The low-E coating on these windows helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature while protecting your furnishings from sun damage. Installing low-E glass windows in Rowlett can lead to significant energy savings and increased home comfort. Window replacement. Rowlett, Texas is a smart investment for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows for better energy efficiency. New windows can improve your home's insulation, reduce noise, and enhance curb appeal. Rowlett Window Replacement Services offer a variety of options, including energy-efficient windows and insulated glass units to meet your specific needs. Energy-efficient windows. Rowlett are designed to minimize energy loss and maximize comfort. These windows feature advanced technologies such as low-E coatings, argon gas fills, and thermal breaks to enhance their performance. By choosing energy-saving windows in Rowlett, you can enjoy a more comfortable home and lower energy bills. Thermal windows Rowlett TX are engineered to provide superior insulation and energy efficiency. These windows are constructed with multiple layers of glass and insulating materials to reduce heat transfer. Installing thermal windows in Rowlett can help you maintain a comfortable indoor environment while reducing your energy consumption. Window installation. Rowlett is a critical step in ensuring your windows perform at their best. Professional window installation services in Rowlett ensure that your windows are properly fitted and sealed, maximizing their energy efficiency. Proper installation can prevent air leaks and improve the overall performance of your windows. Rowlett window upgrades can significantly enhance the energy efficiency and appearance of your home. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can reduce your energy bills and improve indoor comfort. Rowlett window upgrade services offer a range of options, including double-glazed windows, low-E glass, and insulated glass units. Insulated glass units Rowlett are a popular choice for homeowners seeking improved energy efficiency. These units consist of 2 or more panes of glass separated by a spacer and sealed to create an insulating barrier. Insulated glass units can help reduce heat loss and improve the overall energy performance of your home in Rowlett, Texas. Window sealing Rowlett, Texas is essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Proper window sealing can help reduce air leaks and maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Rowlett Window Sealing Services offer a variety of solutions to ensure your windows are properly sealed and energy efficient. Energy performance windows. Rowlett are designed to provide optimal insulation and energy savings. These windows feature advanced technologies such as low-E coatings and argon gas fills to enhance their performance. By choosing energy performance windows in Rowlett, you can enjoy a more comfortable home and lower energy bills. Energy-efficient windows. Rowlett TX is an effective way to reduce heat gain and improve energy efficiency. Tinted windows can block harmful UV rays and reduce glare, making your home more comfortable. Rowlett Window Tinting Services offer a range of options to enhance the energy efficiency and appearance of your windows. Argon-filled windows. Rowlett are an excellent choice for homeowners seeking improved insulation and energy efficiency. These windows feature a layer of argon gas between the panes, providing superior thermal performance. Installing argon-filled windows in Rowlett can help reduce energy consumption and improve indoor comfort. Triple-pane windows. Rowlett, Texas offer exceptional insulation and energy efficiency. These windows feature 3 layers of glass with insulating gas fills, providing superior thermal performance. Triple-pane windows can help reduce energy costs and improve the comfort of your home in Rowlett, Texas. Window efficiency. Rowlett is a key consideration for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your utility bills and enhance the overall energy performance of your home. Rowlett Window Efficiency Services offer a range of solutions to meet your specific needs. Window retrofitting. Rowlett TX is an effective way to improve the energy efficiency of your existing windows. Retrofitting involves upgrading your windows with energy-efficient technologies such as low-E coatings and argon gas fills. Rowlett Window Retrofitting Services can help you achieve significant energy savings and improved home comfort.